Welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. I'm Tom Solid and today we go into another round, reMarkable versus the iPad. If you follow me on this channel, you know my opinion on the reMarkable. This doesn't mean that I don't like it. I like the feeling of it. That's it. And yet there was another situation where I thought I need to share this with you guys, where I started with the reMarkable and then I switched to the iPad. What this means we will find out in this video. Alright, in the past weeks I was revamping the website from scratch. I was replacing a lot of plugins on my website, building up a complete new structure of the website so we can actually scale it without any issues. However, this is like surgery on open heart. All of my members are on this website already. They are running subscriptions. People want to have access to this. All this needed to be planned carefully. I love to get back to a pen and paper or just, make some quick notes when I'm doing something. Looking at something on a website, I need to keep this in mind that there's some design issues or anything like this, and I just quickly want to draw this down or write down that after disabling one plugin, this thing stops working. That's what I wanted to save there. So I started writing down the plugins that I deactivated and the things that happened, and I used the reMarkable for that because I thought, well, it's a work in progress. Once I finish this, I don't need this information any longer, so I can easily use the reMarkable for this. However, the limitation came very quickly when I wanted to make a screenshot and then make some notes, and I realized then, wait a minute, this is something I could do so much better using an iPad. And I then switched to the iPad and started using Notability. Alright, I want to quickly show you how this looks like in action, right? So on the left side you see Notability open in the iPad mini 6, and on the right side you see Notability opened up on my Mac. And what I did, I made screenshots from my website, the things that I want to annotate, pasted it into Notability on here, and it appeared on my iPad mini in order to annotate this. So there we go, we have two new notes. Now I take my Apple Pencil, I will just draw something very quickly on here, and now we will wait until it appears here. And now it tells me I changed something. So whenever you do something in OneNote on the Mac and you change something on the iPad app, don't do this, because then it will ask you exactly this. Which one do you want to keep? iPad mini or MacBook? We will keep the iPad version, and there we go, and it will disappear on the iPad as well, and now we have it in here. So you saw it takes very long until it updates. However, this is no issue. What we can do in the Apple ecosystem, I just go here, I will use my shortcut for my Snagit screen capture. I will just make a screenshot like this, and then I go to my iPad, tap somewhere, paste image, and it will just paste my image from the clipboard from my Mac onto my Notability on my iPad. And this is seamless. It also works with your iPhone, and you see it's already pasted in here. I pasted it on the iPad, but it appears here already. So this means you just make a screenshot on your Mac and you will paste it into your handwriting note-taking app, and then you can just draw on this. And I think that's very quickly. Whereas on the reMarkable, I don't have the reference. I just cannot bring in pictures in this way, and also the synchronization with the Mac is only working when you pay the subscription. To me, this is really another reason why I will stick with the iPad versus the reMarkable. I like the reMarkable, as I said, for drawing on it, just scribbling something out, or even my children, they love using it. But really as a working device, these are some of the limitations that are appearing when I want to integrate them in my workflow and want to get proper work done. If you have other use cases where you use the reMarkable and you have a use case where it actually works for you, feel free, go to the comments below, let us know. And if you want to see the deep dive where I made a much more detailed and comprehensive comparison between the iPad and the reMarkable, make sure that you check out the video that I made about this. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel, and I catch you up next time.